We're back at 6:14. From biking to work to tagging some of the Gem City's most famous residents, 2 News Today is working for you with 3 things happening in the day ahead. American citizen Robel Philippos is scheduled for a probable cause hearing in Boston today. He is accused of making false statements in the investigation into the Boston Marathon bombings. He and 2 others have been charged with conspiracy to obstruct justice. They're accused of trying to destroy emptied fireworks and removing a backpack and a laptop from the dorm room of bombing suspect Dzhokhar Tsarnaev. Well, today is National Bike to Work Day, and the RTA is rewarding riders who do just that. The Dayton Regional Transit Authority is offering free rides to riders who bring their bikes along. Riders are encouraged to use RTA services because each bus is equipped with bike racks. Officials will also be at Riverscape in downtown Dayton from 7 to 9 tomorrow, teaching bicyclists about the services offered by RTA and the 29 routes they service. Wildlife officials with the Ohio Department of Natural Resources will be banding peregrine falcon chicks in Dayton today. The nest is located at the Liberty Bank Tower downtown. The endangered birds have been nesting downtown since 1992. Biologists will fit the 3-week-old falcon chicks with state and federal identification bands. You can watch for that full story tonight starting at 5 on 2 News. And you can always find more information on these or any of today's top stories online at WDTN.